Hey there, viewers. Did you know that the average adult has about 150,000 hair strands and loses up to 100 of them each day? Don't be alarmed. While losing hair is common, excessive hair loss can affect both your physical and mental health. Various factors contribute to hair loss, including hereditary conditions, medical issues, hair treatments, and even the wrong hair products that don't suit your hair type. In this video, we'll explore some natural methods to promote hair growth. From kitchen staples to self-care practices, these remedies can help revitalize your hair and restore its natural beauty. 1. Onion juice. Onion juice is a well-known remedy for hair growth, and for good reason. Onions are rich in sulfur, which nourishes and regenerates hair follicles. A study published in the Journal of Dermatology indicated that applying onion juice to the scalp can stimulate hair regrowth, particularly in cases of alopecia areata. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of onions also help prevent and treat scalp infections, which can contribute to hair loss. How to use. Blend 2 onions and filter the juice using a cheesecloth to remove any chunks. Massage the onion juice into your scalp using circular motions. This not only helps with absorption but also improves blood circulation to the hair follicles. Let it sit for an hour, then rinse with a mild shampoo to eliminate the strong odor. Use this treatment once a week for optimal results. Tip: to mitigate the smell, you can add a few drops of essential oils, like lavender or rosemary, to the onion juice before applying it. 2. Stress management. High stress levels can push many hair follicles into a resting phase, leading to sudden hair loss. This condition, known as telogen effluvium, can result in noticeable shedding of hair after stressful events. Managing stress through meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and regular exercise can significantly improve hair health. Practical tips. 1. Meditation. Spend just 10 minutes a day practicing mindfulness meditation. This can help clear your mind and reduce anxiety. 2. Deep breathing. Try deep breathing exercises to calm your nervous system. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. 3. Routine. Establish a daily routine that minimizes exposure to stressor. Make time for hobbies and relaxation to keep your mind at ease. 3. Coconut milk. You may have heard about the benefits of coconut oil for hair, but coconut milk is even better for nourishing the scalp. It helps improve blood circulation and is rich in vitamins E and C, which promote hair health. How to use. Take some fresh coconut milk and heat it until it's slightly warm, not hot. Massage the warm coconut milk into your scalp for about 15 minutes, ensuring full coverage. Work it through your hair from roots to tips and leave it on for an additional 45 minutes before rinsing with your regular shampoo. Use this treatment once a week. Example: many people report increased shine and softness in their hair after regular use of coconut milk. 4. Eggs. While they may have a strong smell, eggs are incredibly beneficial for hair regrowth due to their high protein content, essential minerals, and B vitamins. These nutrients help curb hair loss, strengthen roots, and stimulate new hair growth, adding volume and thickness. How to use. Whisk together a few eggs, 2-3, with a tablespoon of olive oil until well combined. Apply the mixture to your hair using a brush, ensuring complete coverage. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse with cold water to avoid cooking the egg. Use this treatment once a week. Caution: if using hot water, be careful not to use too hot of a temperature, as this can create an unpleasant odor. 5. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is renowned for its numerous benefits, not just for the skin but also for hair health. Its antifungal properties help combat dandruff and other scalp conditions, while its soothing gel promotes hair growth. How to use. Cut an aloe vera leaf open and extract the clear gel inside. Apply this gel directly to your scalp and hair, massaging it in gently. Let it sit for about an hour, then rinse out with a mild shampoo. Use it 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Example: many users report a reduction in dandruff and increased hair shine after regular use of aloe vera. 6. Amla, Indian gooseberry. Amla is a powerful superfood packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. It's known for stimulating hair growth and preventing premature graying. You can use amla in oil, powder, or juice form. How to use. 1. Oil. Amla oil is readily available and is the easiest option. Apply it to your scalp and hair twice a week. 2. Powder. You can mix amla powder with water to create a paste and apply it to your scalp, letting it sit for about 30 minutes before rinsing. Tip: amla can also be consumed in juice form or as a supplement for added benefits. 7. Scalp massage. Regularly massaging your scalp increases blood flow, which brings more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. Studies have shown that just 4 minutes of scalp massage daily can lead to significant improvements in hair thickness and growth. How to do it. Use your fingertips to gently massage your scalp in circular motions. Focus on areas where you notice thinning. Consider incorporating oils like coconut or almond oil during the massage for added nourishment. Example: some people use specialized tools like a scalp massager or even a simple hairbrush with a massaging function to enhance the experience. 8. Almond and sesame oil. Both almond and sesame oils are rich in nutrients and beneficial for hair health. They help moisturize the scalp and hair, preventing dryness and breakage. How to use. Mix equal parts of almond and sesame oil. Warm the mixture slightly and apply it to your scalp and hair. Massage it in gently and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out with shampoo. You can use this treatment twice a week for best results. 9. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural remedy for various hair and scalp problems. It's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. How to use. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 tablespoons of coconut or olive oil. Apply this mixture evenly to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out with shampoo. Repeat this treatment once a week. Tip: lemon juice can also help combat dandruff and oily scalp conditions. 10. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known for its ability to balance pH levels in the scalp and remove product buildup. It has antibacterial properties that help keep the scalp healthy, promoting hair growth. How to use. After shampooing, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. Use this mixture as a final rinse after washing your hair. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse with cool water. Example: many people find that using apple cider vinegar regularly gives their hair extra shine and bounce. 11. Garlic. Garlic is packed with vitamins B6, C, manganese, and selenium, all of which promote healthy hair. Its antimicrobial properties can help fight infections that may impede hair growth. How to use. Crush a few garlic cloves and rub the juice directly onto your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes before washing it out. For those sensitive to raw garlic, You can also infuse garlic in oil and use that for a milder application. Caution: always do a patch test first to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction to garlic. Conclusion: are you experiencing hair loss? Do you plan to try any of these natural remedies? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more great content. Remember, healthy hair starts from within, and consistency is key in any hair care regimen.